Damn.
No, I got you.
Rest in peace. James, can you get my drone in the water, please?
Oh shit! You got it? Oh. It's okay. Try to fly it. Try to fly it. Try to fly it. It's waterproof.
I doubt that is waterproof,
Simon,
but
it's waterproof. Try to fly it quick so it will dry off. Try to fly it. Trust me. Just hold it up. Hold it right there. Hold it up in the air. Yep. Try to fly it. That way it dries off.
it's not that, Mike. It's not that easy. It says cannot take off. So it's broken, the drone. No more drone. I crashed it. I just got the controller and another battery. Like 2 days ago was my first time flying it. I took off with the controller. It didn't go straight, hit the guardrail, fell off the cliff into the water. It's just broken. So is my heart, but not much I can really do about it. So that's what happened with my drone. Here's what happened on the hike today.
Careful. Oh! It's slippery. Oh! Oh, fuck! I can't even. Oh! Oh, did you guys see this stick? Oh, you see that stick? I'm sorry. Are you okay? Oh, you see that?
Are you good, dude?
Do you see this?
Yeah, did I get you? Is it him right here?
Yeah. Oh, fuck. Is it deep?
No, it's not. You're good.
Oh, fuck.
That's the culprit, guys. Watch it.
There's Reed.
Big hole. Thank you. Hey!
Wait, why are you forsaking me?
You wanna go? Are you okay, baby?
Yes, sir.
Little cradle? You wanna take it out?
This is great.
This is a pain mission. Huh? This is a submissive position.
Are you smelling your kneecaps right now, Woody?
My beanie off.
Got full like a pretzel.
I survived it pretty long.
Yes, it is.
He's got the hosing yet? He ain't got the hosing yet.
That AAA life. Kyle came through with that AAA, looked out for me.
AAA is worth it right here.
I broke my drone today, locked my keys in my car, but luckily, since I'm with Kyle, came quick. Yeah, that's what she said.
There it is.
And it's unlocked, and it's that fast. See, I didn't even get upset when I knew that I locked my keys in my car because there's no point. And it's done. My car is unlocked. Boop. That easy. There it is.
No alarm.
Yes. Lifesaver. Give me some. Boom.
Want to see my ID?
You're dating, man.
Yeah.
That'll do. Thanks, Kyle.
All right.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Quick and efficient. I love it.
Got him. Now I've only been called AAA for my drone.
Right.
It's really hard for me to be cheerful and happy. It was a great day. Everybody showed up. Kyle, Ruben, James, me, Micah. Crashed my drone. Locked my keys out of my car. Thankfully, Kyle had AAA, and they came and unlocked my car free of charge, and did it. The whole process was like 20 minutes, so that wasn't that bad. But unfortunately, I don't have AAA for my drone to just come and just fix that gimbal and make sure it's flying. So it is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. You guys hit that like button if you enjoyed it. If you're new, hit that subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Sorry, we took a 2-week break. Things have been going crazy. Got some big announcements for the channel in the future. Stay tuned for that as well. So the last video had over 175 views, which is pretty crazy. Never expected it. Pretty stoked for that. So thank you for everybody who watched the video. Hopefully you're back again watching, and hopefully you get that thumbs up button and maybe subscribe a little more. We still got that 50 subscriber challenge up and going. We're at like 48 was the last time I checked. If we get 50 subscribers, we'll bring a lucky victim with us on a hike. Each of us will bring somebody with us on a hike and make them do some crazy stuff along with us. It should be fun. I know I'm gonna bring my girlfriend. That's already given. I told her to be rare. Once we hit 50 likes, to get our hiking shoes and get ready to go, because we're going. So yes, 50 subscribers. That's still up to date. No, that was dumb. Gotta edit that part out. Yeah. Okay.